Somebody ate all the Nutella.
Somebody ate all the Nutella, huh? Hey, I'm Jazz.
And I'm Demi.
And we are Very Good Drinks. We're back with another episode of Street Food Cocktails, the show where we try different street food and turn it into a cocktail. This episode is about roti.
Yeah, so roti is a super thin, crispy pancake-like dessert that's fried in a lot of butter and oil, as you can see. You can stuff it with your favorite stuffing and top it with your favorite topping. We chose banana and Nutella because we thought that would make the best cocktail for this.
So here you can see they have stuffed it and topped it, and let's find out what we thought.
I like the corner pieces.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Let me go with this one.
It's the verdict.
So we didn't think it would be fair to try to recreate a cocktail on a dish that we had never made before. So here we are at the grocery store grabbing everything we need to make our own roti from scratch at home in order to pay our respects to the original.
Okay, so here we have all the ingredients and no can opener. So we start by whisking an egg and then adding a little bit of sweetened condensed milk and then slowly whisking in the water. And then I've got some all-purpose flour and I added some butter and then combined it similar to how you would make a pie crust. And we didn't have any large bowls, so I just kind of had to make this part work, which was messy. As you can see, and then let that dough rest for a bit. Take a very mandatory Nutella break, which is completely necessary for my creative process.
Somebody ate all the Nutella.
Okay, now it's time to knead it. That's called the slap and clap. That is a patented kneading technique, patented by me. Now we're gonna roll them into balls and I'm gonna let them sit overnight to rest in the fridge. Now it's time to roll it out as thin as possible without creating little holes. And then crisp it up in a pan, throw in some bananas, and then you fold it over onto itself. Beautiful, Demi, really great job. Okay, butter it up more because you can't have enough butter. And then fry it till it's crispy. Look at that, beautiful. Gorgeous. Yes. Bless this mess.
Is it better or worse than the street food version? Okay, let me try it.
Okay.
do it for the team. Just straight butter and rum. Go past the butter layer. There you go. Woo!
It's really good, actually.
Woo! Oh no! Might want to mix it up a little bit.
It's pretty good. It needs salt.
Oh yeah.
Sleep on it. Come back to it tomorrow. Incorporate the Nutella, incorporate the salt. Maybe kind of get this part sorted out. Because this isn't, we can do better than this.
Mm-hmm. You need more structural integrity.
Yeah, but very good like foundational base for like what we're trying to do here.
All right, day one.
Okay, so turns out it wasn't a very good foundational base for what we were trying to do.
Yeah, the fizz that we made was good. It just wasn't really giving me Banana Nutella Roti vibes. So we decided to kind of pivot from fizz to flip. And we took a lot of liberties with the flip. We decided to make a Nutella and condensed milk liqueur. That didn't really work out because we used really gross 7-Eleven vodka. And then we decided to up the foam with a banana egg white foam that never really foamed. After lots of shaking and sort of a lot of disheartening failure, we decided to keep it simple and go back to basics and ended up with the Banana Nutella flip.